Hello, come on in. Figured I would do a tour of our Airbnb. We have recently decided to turn this into our weekend retreat. So before we switch everything out, I thought it'd be fun to show you our setup for an Airbnb. Come on. This is the entryway and it leads to the 2 guest bedrooms. There is this one. So this one was set up with a full-size bed, and then we have TVs in every room. We try to do crisp white linens on all the beds because people, when they're traveling, it feels cleaner and you can definitely spot stains a lot easier. So this is one of our guest rooms. And in here we decided to do another guest room, and this one has 2 twin bed setups. So a lot of families that are traveling with kids, they say like they prefer 2 different beds. So this room's great for kids, teens, and then we also, a lot of people put their in-laws in the other bedroom. Anyways, again, white linen sheets. We have blackout shades in all the bedrooms. And these are just really easy to like up and down. No fuss, no cords. So this is the main living room. Open living, dining, kitchen. So we did a very small table, and this we are replacing. This was great for kids and families, and the benches slid under the table. We have our open kitchen area. We left the fireplace in place and we just capped it. This was a old wood burning stove for cooking, so we just capped it, and then we put this lean-to so people, when they're coming, they can put their groceries and things like that on here. If you are starting an Airbnb, things like that are things to think about, where people are going to put their items, their kitchen items, and their groceries when they get here. So we have a full setup with stove, microwave, refrigerator. We always kept our fridge empty, so it was ready for guests when they come. We have a coffee setup, and then dishwasher, of course. This is the living room space. We have a high bar setup, and then we have an overstuffed chair, and then this couch. This couch means a lot to me. It was my great grandmother purchased this living room set, but we will be replacing it. So just something that's comfy, people can enjoy while they are here at the lake. So let's go over here to this bathroom. So this is our guest bathroom. It is also a laundry room, and this is just kind of a easy place for people to drop stuff. We have lots of hooks, washer and dryer. We did supply all of their laundry needs. I think that's important. People will be more inclined to wash sheets and towels while they're in town when they have their own laundry stuff. And then also, it's great if you are very specific about what you want in your washers. So we did a small vanity in here, leaving space for a trash can, and then a hamper or any extra luggage that people might have with them. And then we have built-in shelving, and then a stand-up shower. We brought our cushions in from outside so they didn't get wet this past week while it was raining. All right. I'll go back over here and look out. The main bedroom features access to the outside. It also has the blackout shades, and these are easy to lift up and down. What a great view though. So we have a queen bed in here. Again, we have the crisp white linen sheets, and I can't emphasize that enough. Guests really love to see that it's white and it feels clean. We did include a dresser. Some people like to unpack when they're on vacation. I think that's important. And then we also do have luggage racks in each of our rooms. So if somebody doesn't want to unpack, they can just set up their luggage here. All right, so this is the main bathroom. It's an ensuite. We did a larger vanity here, and then enough room for them to set up their toiletry items and things like that. So again, white crisp linen curtains, and then we have lots of hooks kind of behind the door here. Lots of towel hooks for people to hang their wet bathing suits, beach towels, and things like that here. All right, I think while it's nice outside, we'll head out. There is access to the back deck. This is our back deck patio, and it overlooks the lake. This is some of the furniture we've had. It was a setup for 6. And then these are the easy crank umbrellas. My father-in-law came this past year, pressure washed the deck, and we do plan on restaining it. But gorgeous view for our past renter. I think we can go down the stairs. So welcome to Lake Life. We have this amazing lawn area. It's great for games when we have renters. And then we also supplied the Adirondack chairs for when people were in town. They could use these to sit on the lawn or out on the dock. So this is our boat ramp. This boat ramp was poured on my grandmother's 16th birthday. We have some amazing memories like that, and we are looking forward to creating more memories with our family. So we have kind of this beautiful view, and we are looking forward to enjoying lake life ourselves. Thank you for watching.